Hey, it's Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're looking to purchase in Orleans Parish. It's a gutted property, so yeah, it's just a shell. Obviously not ready to sell to a homeowner. It needs to be sold to an investor like us who can add value to it. It's a nice big property. Does have a fair bit of termite damage and stuff though, so you know, you can see some of the mud-ins from the termites, and yeah, it's pretty obvious that yeah, if the termites stop holding hands, this building could fall down maybe. So there's a fair bit of termite damage throughout it. Yeah, obviously it's a shell, so it needs a whole bunch of work. Look, and that's okay. These are the sort of properties we buy. You know, we don't mind getting in and adding value to a property. You know, that's how we can make money. You know, we use our skills, expertise, our capital to buy houses, you know, like this, and do them up, make them ready for a new homeowner or tenant. They don't have to be this bad, but we don't mind buying them like this. So look, you know, if you have a property you're looking to sell, you know, maybe it needs repairs, renovations, you know, or maybe you just want to sell it really fast for cash. You might have inherited it, might be full of belongings that you don't want to clear out. You know, when you sell to us, there's no need to stage the property. There's no need to clear it out, hold open houses. We buy it as is. Obviously take all the things you want, but you can leave behind what you don't, and we'll clear that out as part of our rehab. We pay cash, so you know, we don't need banks to value it and approve the loan, and you know, all of that things that take a long time and can result in, you know, deals falling through. We pay cash, so if we, you know, say we want to buy it, we can buy it. There's no one that will tell us that we can't. In terms of banks and inspections, we'll use our cash to get the deal done, so you can get paid fast, and we can get the project happening to bring it back to life. So guys, reach out to us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Would love to chat about your property and see if we're a good solution for you. Thanks guys.